Hi YouTubers, Terry here. I wanted to do a few little project shares, one little online haul, and some happy mail that I received from Crafty Irina. I'll do that one last. I watch MayMayMadeIt, her channel, her YouTube channel, and recently she showed a I don't know what she called it, but it's a fold pop-up kind of card, and challenged us to make our own, and I have done that. I decided to try making one, and I made my husband a Valentine's card, and the two main paper lines that I used were My Mind's Eye, Cupid's Arrow, and then a lot of it from Cartabella's Amore by Karina Gardner. So I used that, and I'm not going to show you how I made it because May did a wonderful job explaining it, and she was actually patterning it after someone else's card. So anyway, so this is the front of the card, and then you open it and it's like 3D. It was originally made to be, you would put vellum in the windows and the center stayed empty, and you would put a tea light. And so I am going to try that. Not sure when or under what context, but I'm excited to do that. But I did do this card, and it wasn't hard to do. May did wonderful instructions, and I just kind of, there's like 4 layers there, and I think it turned out really cute. And then the back, I just backed it and put I love you there. So I'm not sure where I'm going to sign it, but I thought this turned out really cute, so I wanted to share that with you. And then some other projects that I've done, and I've showed these. I'll just kind of show. I have these little test tube kind of things with some M&Ms in them ready to go, and I have these little aluminum tins that I got at Oriental Trading with some M&Ms in them ready to go. And I did a ton of I kind of sit and just do paper clips. And I've shown some of them, but I did get them packaged up. So I kind of wanted to show you some of the packaging and some of the newer ones I've done. So these are the Dollar Tree felt hearts. And so I just packaged them up. The paper that I use, I have a 25 pack from Tuesday Morning. It's Head Over Heels. Is the name of the paper pack. Sorry, I was looking to see who made it. By Deanna Rudder. It's a Echo Park line that I used, and that's what's on the back. I still need to put my name on them, but and those are just silk, sticky back hearts. And so I did that kind. I did do some puffy styrofoam hearts, made them into paper clips. Used a different paper line there, and I don't remember what it is. It might be the same paper line. Or that, no, I think that one was from this paper pad. Yeah. Here, it's a Pebbles paper pad, yours truly, that I had in my stash. So I used that. So I did about a dozen of those. And these were a little bit harder to make, so I didn't make a whole lot. I think I made 12 of them. And these are made with my Stampin' Up! Bow punch. And I think they turned out really cute. But I just got tired of making them after a while. But I did like 12 different kinds of paper. There's a gold one and a pink, and there's a couple there. Sorry for the glare. There's those, and there's gold. The glitter ones turned out really good. The punch works really good for that. And then I have some authentic. It was a Valentine pack I got a couple of years ago, and it had a lot of these little cutouts, and so I had cut them out, and then I couldn't decide what I was going to do with them. And actually these turned out really cute to make them into paper clips. And these are all real vintage look for the paper clips. So I made a bunch of those, and then I had made from the rings from Dollar Tree. I made those, and I paired them up with one of the authentic ones, or some glitter styrofoam right there. So that one's got 2. So so I did those. I've probably got 50 or 60 of those. When I set these out at work, my coworkers just love digging through them and finding what they like. And then I had shown these suckers that I had made with a little envelope thing, and I had purchased some more suckers at Dollar Tree, so I made a bunch more of these, and I think they turned out really cute. These are like a 2-tone sucker from Dollar Tree, and I think they turned out really cute. The problem that I'm having, as you can see on this one, is the sucker sticks are coming out of the sucker. Probably because of lower quality from Dollar Tree. I didn't have any problems with the other kind that I got, but with these Dollar Tree suckers, I am having trouble. So be careful what, they're not all like that, but just some of them are. I'm just kind of showing you some of these. They turned out they're really cute. I really like them. And then I just kind of blinged them up a little bit with different bling that I had. So I've probably got 30 or 40 of those. And then I got at, I think, Walmart, 5 packs of the Brock's conversation hearts. And so all I did was wrap a piece of paper around them, did a band, and punched out a heart with my Fisker's smaller heart punch, and or some I just did the felt, and these are ready to go. I did 15 of those, so those are ready to go. And then I purchased one thing recently. This is my first experience. I went on AliExpress and purchased these are 5 kind of like scalloped heart dies. I haven't cut them out yet. Let's see if I can, yeah, there you can see it a little bit better there. I'm anxious to see what these do. And this is the company, Katai, and they actually sent me 5 really super tiny, see them, little star dies, because they want me to go on and rate them with 5 stars. So they sent me 5 stars. So I thought that was kind of a cute little sales sales thing. And last but not least, and Crafty Irina always never fails to surprise me when she has sent me a few times thoughtful little gift envelopes or boxes, and it's always comes at a time that is so a little boost of spirits is always nice. I've recently gone through the last 6 months. My husband's been going through tonsil cancer treatment, and he's all done with his 2 surgeries and radiation and chemo, and now we're just kind of trying to get him healthy again, and it's just been this process that is so slow, and he's still he doesn't feel well. He's not eating well, but I know that he's making improvement. It's just so small, and he's getting so tired of not feeling well. But Irene just is so thoughtful, and sends things with such special meaning, and her attention to detail. And she watches my videos because that's how she knew to send what she sent. And she lives in the town where my son lives in California, and I've actually been able to meet her, and she's a wonderful person. So she sent me a little envelope, a package full of things this week, and here's the little card with the sweet note on the back, and this little baggie with beautiful flower and Valentine ribbon there. And inside this was some homemade shea butter, lemon soap, but this smells so good. I can't wait to use that. And some sugar cookie chapsticks. So I just keep these in my purse and pull them out when I need them at work. And then these darling bags, and all she needed to do to dress it up is to do this darling heart border punch. And this is how I know that she watches my videos, because recently at I think Walmart I had found some cherry hearts. Usually I'm mostly just able to find the cinnamon hearts, and I had found some cherry stuff, and she says, I hear you like a sour cherry. So she listened to my video and sent me something that she knew that I would like. And then in the other bag, and this is half eaten because she said, one of my faves, enjoy. But the cool thing is, a cherry is one of my husband's favorites, and she didn't know that. And I'm trying to tempt him with sweets these days, because he is his mouth is really sore, but he's lost 30 pounds, and I just kind of try and tempt him with a little bit of calories so we can kind of get his weight up a little bit and have him feel better. So anyway, this is an awesome collection of several different kinds of cherry flavored, and it's really good. So the reason why it's half gone is my husband and I have been eating on it. So Irene, thank you so very, very much for your thoughtfulness, and I really appreciate your kindness. And that's all I have to share today. I may be back with some other. I have 3 or 4 other Valentine projects I want to do, but that's all for now. Thanks. Bye.